Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today we'll do some quick video about powering off and restarting your OnePlus 15. So actually, once you hold the power button, AI is turning on, and for some of you it may be a problem to power off your device. So actually this is not a problem, because if you hold the power button and volume up button and volume down, you can see this menu. And once you see this menu, to turn off your device, you have to hold this white circle to the down and drag it to the power off, and to restart, hold this white circle to the restart. As you can see, if we leave it to the in the power off field, we can see that the power went off. And to turn our device, don't hold the volume up button, just power. Here AI won't be turned on. Now our phone is turned on using only the power button, and that's actually it. Now it takes some time to turn on, but every single phone that's new takes some time. So now, as you can see, we are done, and the same was with the restart button here. And actually, that's it. Goodbye and have a nice day.